control you ukuthi ugcina ngalonkulunkulu wabo ukuthi ualpha and omega, the beginning and the end. God is not that. He's not that. He's not the beginning and the end. How do you say something operates beyond limitation? Why niki beginning and end? He operates beyond limitations. But now we kanjani leyo title. Uyipha kanjani that title?
Omunye uNkulunkulu.
Omunye uNkulunkulu ne beginning lo. That is why nengoma nama gospel they must change these gospel singers. They must change all these things. You are Alpha and Omega. That's not God. They are worshiping their own God. They are not worshiping the true God, the true pure consciousness. Abayi preach. Abantu ichurch ifundise abantu ukuthi you must come to church ukuthi uzokhona ukuthi ufinyelele ezulwini. Bangasho ukuthi izulu lingaphakathi kulo. Bangasho ukuthi lingaphakathi kulo bafuna balikhomba le mafeni.
Their point.
You understand? But you know you must come ube born again so as uJesu azokusave. uJesu yena akathi to be born again okuyileyo nto le ukuthi ubelievele kuye. Uthi to be born again. Baba angithi born again. Okay, I understand.